So here's a company that I've heard of but never seen in person, Smart Machine Tools. And for some reason in my head I had it that these guys were like kind of a smaller, just starting up machine tool manufacturer. They have like one of the biggest setups here. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. They have darn near 20 machines here. Starting from a little tiny baby, SV0, seems like they kind of follow the way a HAAS would work, you know, just the bigger the number, the bigger the machine. But SV0 starts out as a tiny little mill, and then SV1, SV2, SV3, which is cool because they have them lined up. Like, in my head, this makes the most sense to line your machines up in ascending order and get bigger and bigger so that the person who's looking or in the market knows, hey, I just got to walk a little further to the right if I want to see a bigger machine. And first impression is they're insanely well built. They look like they've got more travel in Y than a HAAS would have. Definitely what looks like to be a bigger table. Like their SV2 is the size of what a HAAS VF2Y would look like. Really freaking cool. Really open. Looks like they would get rid of chips really well. They've got an SV2 here that's just got like the pusher out the bottom, but they also have one here, same machine, it looks like setup wise, that has a chip conveyor on it, which is obviously really cool. None of them have an umbrella tool changer in them. They all have a side mount with a swing arm. All right, starting at the SV0, little tiny table, super cool, super cool. Look at this guy. Just a little baby table, probably 12 inches by about 20. Looks like a 30 taper tool in there, and then a robo drill style tool changer where it just pops down into it, picks it. Really cool. So this looks like their answer to a robo drill or a Speedio. This guy here, SV1, probably like the equivalent of a VF1, what a VF1 would be. But here again, I swear, these look like they have more Y travel than a VF1 would have. So they look like they're deeper in Y. I'll have to look at the specs and see, but really nice coolant ring, swing arm tool changer. Really cool. Lots of nice holders over here on the side. SV2, this is a good looking machine. Again, deeper, what looks like deeper in Y. Big meaty spindle in there. Good looking sheet metal, like everything is like ruggedly powder coated. And then I like this right here where you're dripping coolant. They just straight up put a piece of stainless on there so the paint doesn't chip off, and like, because coolant seems to take paint off super easy. Running this FANUC controller. Got your wash down gun here. Air hose over here. It's like they all come with a jog pendant. Get a little bigger over here. SV3. Got a Renishaw in here. They've got a 4th axis on this one. And I don't know, this is probably about a 36 by, it's got to be close to 24, 22 inches in Y. Really nice looking galvanized covers, chip conveyor down on the bottom. Everything sloping from the back to the front. Swing arm tool changer. Coolant ring. The coolant ring on these is pretty awesome. I mean, it goes all the way around. Adjustable nozzles. Tool release. It's kind of tall. I bet it's it's got to be about 10 feet tall with the spindle all the way up. So it's pretty meaty. I don't know if we could see a weight on here. This is the SV3. Side open doors. You can get that big workpiece in there if you need to. Really impressed with these guys. I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow and talk to somebody. Nice storage rack for your Cat 40 stuff. And it looks like you can kind of lock it out so it's not going to be flinging open while you're trying to work. All right, moving on. The SV5. Look at this thing. Holy. Even bigger. Big weight covers front to back. Meaty chip conveyors down in here. Everything's sloped again from front to the back. Nice big doors to open. Looks like they swing open. But they have like a lock on them, you know. Renaissance setup again. And I don't know if I've ever seen this orange colored Renaissance. I love it. It's really cool. Yeah, these are awesome. Nice handles. Some plastic on here. Like I said, good sheet metal. Everything's on these like these rails and rollers. So the doors are heavy duty, well made. This is a big machine inside. I don't know how it would compare to a VF4, but it looks like it's pretty close, same size. Check out the smart horizontal. This thing's no joke. Cat 50. That is a huge horizontal. I love this. Transparent pricing is such a cool thing in the machine world. We need more people that do it. Look at this 400 millimeter horizontal. That is so rad. Hey, cascade all over the place. Pallet change. That is a big old tombstone. We gonna do a tool change? Maybe not. Cool. Don't blink, you'll miss it. Jeez, that thing's fast.